Good morning everyone. My name is Aruna Thantale, tutor of Index Nursing College. Today we learn schizophrenia. Schizophrenia आज हम पढ़ेंगे कि इसका इंट्रोडक्शन, डेफिनेशन एंड एटियोलॉजी. ओके, वी स्टार्ट नाउ. इंट्रोडक्शन में देखते हैं. अ ग्रीक वर्ड split as schizo to divide pherin is mind, turned by Kraepelin in 1896 as dementia precox. In 1906, Singh and Blier and content it as schizophrenia. Okay. Next is definition. First is it is a psychotic condition characterized by a disturbance in thinking, emotion, volition and faculties in the presence of the clear consciousness, which usually leads to social withdrawal. It is a type of functional psychosis characterized mainly by disturbance in the thinking and associated to disturbance in psychomotor activity, affect perception and behavior. Okay. Etiology. Idiopathic, heredity, incidence high in universal entrance and transmission through one or more autosomal recessive genesis. Third is personality schizophrenia, child development and parents-child relationship. Okay, and age peak in between 15 to 30 and also some after 30 years, and sex equals in both sexes, social isolation, predisposed and unstable, personal relationship, intelligence, overcoordinate and slum, perception, stress regarding ineffective disease and pregnancy, female problem etc. Endocrine, excess of dopamine dependent neural activity in brain, associated with other diseases more common in temporal lobe epilepsy. Okay. Next is neural causes affective disturbance, inability to show appropriate emotional response, blunt or flattened affect. Second is Ostrich think preoccupations with the self with little concern for external relation. Uh, be ambivalence, opposition, emotional, excited and loud and hearted, associated, loses an inability to think logically. Clinical manifestation. Autistic thinks important features. Second is consider two things identically. Disturbance things emotional and behavior. Patient appears abuser and the pressure. Okay. Next is social withdrawal from religion, philosophy, science and sex and power. Absence of things between ideas. Crowding and poverty of idea, flight of ideas, world of lying without meaning. Disturbance of emotion. Disturbance of emotion is a emotion blending or shallowness of affect. Inappropriate affect. Patient love when he is expected to cry and cries. When he is expected to love. Hypersensitivity or intensities of feelings. Ambivalence and experience of two opposite of the feeling. Okay. Next is disturbance of behavior. Disturbance of behavior is first is irrelevant and inappropriate behavior, awkward action, rowdy violent association. A person has a physical or verbal violence against patient. Okay. Next is suicidal and homicidal and tenderness. Criminal and sexual overactivities privacy. Next is disturbance of wall and volition. Wall and volition reduction of drive and desire to carry out routine work. Avoid mixing in family and friends. Allow reduce efficiency and activities. Feeling of possessing mind and through control by outside force. Okay. Outside force. And next is disturbance of perception. Okay. Disturbance of perception. Hallucination, auditory and the visual are common. Other are very rare. Hallucination are either structured human or animal voice or unstructured tones and voice. Disturbance of the motility. In catatonic, increased psychomotor activity, structural and negativities, stereotypes, and mushroom. Okay. Next is variations and relation of the same world. Maxi flexibility. And next is disturbance of attention, excessive, determined, and fantastic, multiple explains of life choices suffering without reason, like children behavior, patient pass urine and stool in this cloth, and play with has one excreted absence mindness, make lot of mistake in work. Psychophysiology. The illness of as the phenomenon of the regression e.g. and reversal of the infantile intellect and childhood pattern of psychological living a state of organization where reality does not exist. Thus, the patient attempt to resolve this psychological confidence by identifying the harsh and painful reality world and living in the fantastic world full of pleasure. Next type of schizophrenia. The type of schizophrenia, first is paranoid schizophrenia, early onset. Paranoid means delusional. Its course of between 25 to 30 years, seen more in the male than female. Delusion of the suspicious perceptions of the graduate. Disorganization of speech and thought. This one is distorted and seen more in the male than the females, and distortions of the speech and true hallucinatory voice of threatening or commenting, also voice to wasting and love. Affect is usually of hostility and anger or the suspiciousness. Negative symptoms like felt affect power of prognosis of is good. Okay. Hebephalenic schizophrenia. Hebephalenic schizophrenia. Early and insidious onset occur between the age of 20 to 25 years. Thinking disturbance, regression, childish behavior, inappropriate affect, somatic deletions and unprepared clinician tablet and visual being and silencement. irrelevant. Property of ideas. Prognosis is poor. Next is simple schizophrenia. The simple schizophrenia is insidious and gradual course between age 15 to 20 years. More incidence is mild disturbance in affect, disturbance in thinking, delusions and the hallucinations are rare. Wandering and aliments prognosis in poor. And next is catatonic schizophrenia. Catatonic schizophrenia is occur between age of 20 to 25 years. Equal in both sexes. Disturbance of things, affect and behavior, active or subactive onset, or stream, purposeless and accident and descriptions and behavior. Next in Ostream. Purposeless and extension of destructive and behavior, delusions and hallucination are common. Prognosis is good, but recalls are common. Catatonic stroke and absence of speech, maintenance of right posture against affect to be moved, negativism, bizarre posture for long period of time, disturbance and reaction to goals and surrounding. Eclosion and manipulation of verses and word. Echophylaxias, maximization of action observed. Maxi flexibility. Okay. Ambivalency, residual schizophrenia, emotional building, eccentric behavior, like emotional blending, isolation behavior, social withdrawal, and a type of schizophrenia which has been at least one episode in the past but without prominent psychotic symptoms are the present. Undifferentiated schizophrenia. That means latent schizophrenia occur after 40 years of age. Schizophrenia, psychosis with the symptoms of depression and mania and also neurosis. Prognosis is the poor. Next is childhood or juvenile schizophrenia. It is not common but seen between age of 5 to 10 years and 12 to 14 years. Onset is occur or gradual. Prognosis is the poor. Schizophrenia psychosis. Schizophrenia psychosis is symptoms of schizophrenia as associated with symptoms of depression and mania. Pseudoneurotic schizophrenia. Core of illness is schizophrenia but presenting symptoms of suggestive and neurotic symptoms like anxiety, states, phobia, phobic and reaction, obsessive and compulsive neurosis of hysteria. Treatments such as the psychotherapy, abractive therapy or drug therapy is not satisfactory. Careful psychiatric and examination done through relation interview relates of the true nature of the illness. Next is prognosis. That means duration of illness. Shortness duration carries better prognosis. Second is type of schizophrenia. Catatonic, paranoid type carries good prognosis. Simple, hypertension and journals, pseudo-neurotic types do not carry good prognosis. Third is personality. No schizoid and stable personality responds better. Next is precipitating factors. The precipitating factors mean the presence of precipitating factor carries good prognosis like age 20 to 30 years of age carries better prognosis than other ages. Type of onset. Acute onset carries better prognosis than gradual onset. Diagnosis. Next is diagnosis. Diagnosis psychiatric history. Second is mental status examination. Third is clinical observation. Fourth is CT scan, MRI. Official diagnosis is best on ICD-10 criteria. Treatment modalities. Fermentations, conventional and antipsychotics are now useless and fragmented because of their only peripheral packages and the adverse effects. The following are the drug due to non-compliant patients. Chlorpromazine 1500 mg per day, flufenazine and diclofenac 20 to 25 mg IM every 1.5-1.3 weeks. Haloperidol 5 to 20 mg per day IM, tripulpoprazine and 1 to 5 mg per day. Next is commonly used antipervulins and antipsychotic. Clozapine 25 450 mg per day PO. Risperidone 2 to 10 mg or Prismify 10 to 20 mg per day. Zinylpramidone in 20 to 80 mg per day. Other drugs used in schizophrenia are mood stabilizers, antidepressants. Olanzapine 10 to 20 mg, Ziprasidone 20 to 80 mg day. Other drugs used in schizophrenia are mood stabilizers, antidepressant, Benoxin etc. Electroconvulsion therapy. Electroconvulsion therapy indication are catatonic support, catatonic excitement. Severe side effects with drugs. Usually 8 to 10 seconds are required to be given. About 8 to 10 convulsions aspirate over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. Psychological therapy. Psychological therapy is cognitive therapy, group therapy, behavior therapy, and family therapy. Psychosurgery, performance and lectuotomy. Okay, thank you all of you.